How you doing out there? Crypto Slacker here, coming to you with another ICO. We've got Dropil. So let's get right into it and tell you a little bit about it. Alright, so here's the site. They already went through pre-sale. They just started the ICO about, 2 hours ago now. I'm going to get into how it works and all that. It's one thing I want to mention is it's an investing platform rather than a lending platform, and we're going to talk a little bit more about what that is exactly. So let's see. Let's start here. Our mission. Offering simple, intuitive, and automated investing for cryptocurrency, low friction and reliable. This was the dream. Dropil's the answer. Some stats. Solid team. Dropil pushes for freedom for our team to perform their jobs with autonomy and a creative work environment. By doing this, it allows us to come up with new ideas, strategy, innovation for our company. Built in California. Even though we are a global team, our founders are based out of California. We are right in the melting pot of ideas, technology, and great minds. This allows us fast access to top talent and resources, which is a plus. They're in California. Nice. You can see the team. The team's not some anonymous developers. This is a real team, real project here. They all have LinkedIn profiles. Like Zachary, we're gonna hear from him in just a minute on a video talking about the bot. I'm gonna share that with you guys in just one moment. But you can check out his LinkedIn profile. One of the co-founders, developer. It looks like he's got a strong background in programming and development. IT manager, programmer. I looked up this at Flight Deck. This looks pretty cool, actually. So he was one of the developers involved in this Flight Deck simulator. Interesting, y'all. Go check that out. Alright, so Drop Token. Drop Token is a digital token which powers every aspect of the DEX system. It is a currency that the Dropil DEX system uses for investment and storage of your funds. Token features here. How are drop tokens used? Okay, the DEX system, which is, I guess, their name for their robot, or their bot, whatever you want to call it. Drop tokens are used in our DEX system. This allows us to control the volume and assets managed by smart investment algorithms. Holding and trading. As more people use Dropil, drops become available on multiple exchanges. All customers are free to cash out their drops at partner exchanges in whatever currency suits them. Talking about the supply, 30 billion, available for ICO purchase, only half of them. Learn more about Dropil. We got the roadmap, white paper. So let's look at the system. System called DEX. Okay, here's our little blue-looking robot guy here. DEX is our intelligent trading system that will invest your drops according to smart trading strategies. It is designed to make trades based on deep learning algorithms developed in-house to grab you the best possible net returns. Short and long-term investing. Dropil has made it quick. Sorry about my reading here. I'm a little distracted. Dropil has made it easy to quickly see returns on your short-term investments through our platform. Short-term mode works by automatically locking in and depositing your returns to your main wallet every 30 days. We allow our customers to pick between 3 investment modes: safe mode, moderate, and aggressive. Your returns will be based on investment risk you choose. Long-term reinvestment automatically reinvests for you, allowing hands-off operation and harnessing the power of compounding returns. So looks like this is their chart here. Long-term, short-term, safe, moderate, and aggressive risk. So that's their 3 little deals there. Under the hood, smart investing. DEX consistently monitors all trades being made on an exchange and places buy and sell orders according to smart strategy to net optimal returns. Unlike a person, DEX can be in many places at once, allowing it to make winning trades across a number of coins and exchanges simultaneously. Investment protection. DEX system pools investments together based on your risk. Even in the most volatile markets, your investments are protected. Drops and DEX work together to manage the overall scale of trading to always stay within optimal value. A different approach. Our team has perfected DEX deep learning algorithm over the last year automatically scale a swap strategy according to the live market trading and on any exchanges for cryptocurrency. DEX is constantly calculating and automatically updating itself based on new trading data. Consistent. DEX has a number of safety nets in place to ensure it smartly locks in optimal profit while minimizing risk. A single bot trading a single currency would never be able to guarantee profitability every month due to substantial diversification across platforms. All right, next page. How Dropil's investment platform differs from lending platforms. So let's check this out. This is really interesting to me. I read through this a little bit earlier, and I really like this idea. So let's check this out. Am I going to read all this? Sure, I'll read it. And by the way, if I'm reading is a little bit slow, go ahead and put your video on 1.5 speed or faster if you like. Get through this a lot faster in case I'm stumbling over this a little bit too much. All right. Here we go. The world of cryptocurrency has been expanding at a rapid rate for years, and with this, new ICOs and new ideas are being released every single day. A common model that we are coming across more and more frequently is commonly referred to as the lending model. Companies such as BitConnect, recently shut down, Devor, which just shut down today, Falcon Coin, and many others are typically classified under this lending model. Many of these companies align their lending to an investment, and while investments may come in many forms, for the Dropil team would like to take this opportunity to draw a clear distinction between pure investment model and these lending models. The main differences between Dropil and lending platforms can be broken down into five major categories: intelligent bot, anonymity, hold period, affiliate program, returns. Each of these categories sets us far apart from lending platforms in and of itself, but when the full picture is considered, the stark differences of pure investment platform are clear. We will go into detail for each one of these five categories and explain how Dropil differs from lenders. Dropil's vision is to change the way people invest their everyday lives by introducing safe, reliable, short-term, and long-term investing opportunities through the use of decentralized cryptocurrency. Intelligent bot. Many of these lending programs that are currently running or have been shut down, BitConnect for example, have made claims that they have an automatic crypto trading bot. As far as we at Dropil have seen, no lending platform has provided solid proof of their bot exists. If anyone has seen otherwise, please let us know. That's pretty funny. Some people have gone as far as offering cash reward for anyone that can provide proof a bot actually exists. What makes Dropil different is that we have a real and completely functional intelligent bot that monitors and tracks 24/7. The bot diversifies itself into many different cryptocurrencies and has three separate modes to run on. We call them safe, moderate, and aggressive. By diversifying into many coins and running a different level of risk, we can balance and optimize our portfolio to maximum potential. Please see our white paper for further details on our smart trading bot. Alright, there's more in here. They back tested. Anyway, anonymity. This is the next category. Dropil takes pride in the fact that our team is not anonymous. and we just seen them there. You can go check them out on their LinkedIn if you like. And it's presented for anyone to see in our About page. A common cited complaint shared by many of the lending platforms is they almost never display their founders, developers, or any sort of team on their websites. Many investors have noticed this and been hesitant to invest because this is a vital aspect of emerging company. Yeah, that's one thing with all these lending platforms. Now that I look back, I've been about, as I said in my last video, I'm in anywhere between 15 and 20 lending platforms. I invested in the ICOs early on just to see how it went. Some went better than others, of course. Anybody that's in this lending space, they know how it's gone, so we don't really need to go too deep into that. Some platforms, they've made money. Most, they haven't. Okay, next point, hold period. Many lending platforms refer to the hold period as capital return period on their websites. Following research in a number of lending platforms, it's a recurring theme that these programs have in place a long hold period for many months, sometimes nearly an entire year. The formerly most popular lending platform, BitConnect, had a hold period of 299 days for investment less than $1,000. So that's ridiculous. But what I like about Dropil, at Dropil we offer investments with no hold period in any way, shape, or form. Nice. We are very proud to allow our users to control their investment and their returns in any way they please. Users are free to invest and cash out their investment at will with no exceptions. We believe this is completely unique to Dropil, as we have yet to come across another cryptocurrency investment platform that offers the same promise. Again, if anyone has seen an investment platform that offers the same promise, please let us know. So yeah, they're pretty confident about that. It's nice. Okay, affiliate program. Let us start off this section by setting record straight that we are only offering an affiliate program during the pre-sale and ICO period of Dropil. Immediately following the completion of our ICO, the affiliate program will be removed, as it only serves to drive awareness to the ICO. So yeah, I like that. That's an interesting point I wanted to bring up while I was making this video. And a lot of the problem we've been having with lending platforms and the whole craze with that, with promoters, YouTubers promoting, they're ending up with 10,000 or more tokens, and what they do is they're the whales now, and they're dumping no matter what they tell you on their videos. Oh, I'm looking out for you guys and this and that. Don't believe any of that, okay? Everybody's in this space for money. Money. So you can take some of them, what they say, with a grain of salt. I mean, even me, my motivation for being in this is money, of course. Anyway, let's keep going. My point what I wanted to say about the whales is they end up with 10,000 or more free tokens. They drop them, price drops. People start panic selling when they see the coin go down. The lending gets shut down. All these problems are happening because whales are being created by the very people who invest. So my suggestion is this, and you don't have to take the suggestion, but you want to cut down on the whales. Here's what you do: help prevent whales and dumping when exchanges open. Join the ICOs using smaller YouTubers' referral links. Now, of course, that sounds self-serving. It sounds like, oh, use mine. You don't have to use mine. You can use anybody's. But if you got a big YouTuber that's bragging about how big their following is and all this, guess what? That big following is making that YouTuber a whale. And you guys are making them a whale. So don't do that. Few, sure, go ahead, use the link. You like the guy, support whoever it is, the guy, the girl, and you support them, but also spread the love. It could be the link of your brother, I don't know, but definitely leave a link to somebody that's told you about it. Oh, let me back that up. Definitely follow the link of somebody that's told you about it. And like I say, it doesn't have to be me. But of course, my link for Dropil will be right here in the description. But again, folks, just careful about creating whales, okay? Let's not be the reason whales are created. Let them come in with their actual own money, all right? All right, so here's the white paper. We got the Dropil white paper. I'm not going to read through the whole white paper with you. I know a lot of people say white papers aren't important, but they definitely are. But in the interest of time, I'm going to go ahead and keep moving. If you want to get deep in this white paper, I suggest you do. All right, roadmap. We got the roadmap here. All right, Dropil ICO pre-sale begins. We're already past that. February 7th. They're right on schedule. That's another thing I like about these guys. They've done everything they said they're going to do as they said they're going to do it. The Dropil ICO begins today, February 7th, and will be open to anyone. That includes anyone in America. They are in California, so yeah, I like this. So it'll go for 1 month, it looks like, till March 7th. ICO ends. The Dropil initial coin offering ends on March 7th, 2018. Following the ICO, there will be an audit period of 3 days before tokens are distributed to all users. March 10th, drops distributed to users. An investment platform launches. March, integrates drops into small public exchanges. In April, mobile wallets for popular mobile operating systems. Then on and on and on. Looking good. Looking good. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to share with you here. Oh, hold on just a second. Okay, just loud noises outside. Anyway, so next thing I'm going to share with you here is video demonstration of the DEX bot by the co-founder Zach, who we just seen his LinkedIn there. So without further ado, take it away, Zach.
Hi, my name is Zachary Matar, and I am the co-founder and a software developer for
Oh,
Dropil.
hold on a second. We got technical difficulties.
Hi, my name is Zachary Matar, and I am the co-founder and a software developer for Dropil.
And I'm going to be talking about the DEX bot and how it works with our DEX platform. And so I'm going to show you this little graph we have right here that basically shows the basic functions of DEX. So DEX makes decisions based on the mode you select, which is safe, moderate, and aggressive for your portfolio. And based on the mode, it will look at the market type, whether it's bull, bear, or stagnant, and with other common indicators, decide whether it should long only, long and short, or just short only. So as you can see here, the market type, indicators, let's say longs only, and that's on 5 different exchanges and 5 different coins. And so what that means is we're going to diversify the exchanges and coins DEX runs on. And what this means is a bot doesn't work all the time. However, our bot works most of the time. And what that means is it has months where it's very, very profitable on one coin, where another coin will still be profitable, but just not as profitable as, let's say Ripple did on a period where Bitcoin did. And that's why we're running DEX on different coins. And if, let's say, a coin lost 1 month or did terrible, then there were no profits, the other coin had massive gains. And that's why we run DEX on different coins and different exchanges. So enough about that. I'm going to go ahead and start the backtesting tool and get some backtesting in there. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by running Ethereum, and let's choose a month. Let's do November, and we're going to do the entire month of November for Ethereum, and we're going to run it on moderate. So let's run that test. I'm going to go ahead and close this graph. And the cool thing about DEX and what we've done with it is we've pulled every single trade. and it's running on, we pulled every single trade from Bitfinex. So DEX is running, it's real-time running, and it runs through the data trade by trade as if it were live time. And it doesn't know the future. So, it's running through and sifting through millions of rows of data. And as you can see here, I mean, the BTC data, it's a lot of rows. I mean, it's 23 million rows.
All right, so we're gonna stop it there. I'm gonna leave a link in the description, so you can go ahead and watch the rest. It's a 23-minute video, almost 24 minutes. All right, so to buy drops, after you've created an account, click the link in the description, of course. You can come in here in the back end on your dashboard, click over here, buy drops. You can select with all these different currencies, which is nice. Looking really, really good. Say, and the minimum is $100. So, say you want $100, you're going to get 20,000 drops. Nice. Let's slide this over and see what you'd get if you invested, say, $1,000. $1,000, you'd get 20,000 drops or 200,000 drops. And you guys can do the math from there. So that's that. All right. Okay, now just a quick recap here to recap everything. Cut this video short. It's been going a little longer than I thought I would take it. All right, so Dropil overview: sustainable cryptocurrency investment platform, utilizes automatic trading bot algorithms, no fees or commissions, multiple strategies based on user risk tolerance. We talked about those 3 strategies, different risk levels, of course, and give you different results. 100% control of funds invested, withdraw anytime. I love that. That's amazing. Drops are an ERC20 token on Ethereum blockchain. The caps there. Who is behind Dropil? Global team. Founders are based in California. It's nice. We know they're not going to be running away from regulators or hiding, and we're not going to worry about all that kind of stuff. Co-founders are Zachary, Matar, and Jeremy McAlpine. Half the team members have LinkedIn profiles, so go ahead and go check those out. How Dropil is different from lending platforms: real, functional, intelligent trading bot with proof. That's just all I need to hear. That's awesome. Transparency with team behind platform. No hold period on funds invested. No MLM or pyramid style affiliate structure. Affiliate bonus rewarded during ICO phase only. Realistic return structure of 2 to 6% a month. Okay, so that's not these big promises of the 40% a month, but it's a little more peace of mind to know, okay, even though crypto's risky, I have a much higher likelihood of actually seeing these returns, because look at all the promises these other lending platforms has made on returns, but we're just not actually seeing them, or they're just disappearing altogether. How does Dropil work? Uses an intelligent trading system they call DEX. Reliable gains per 30-day period. Pools the investment together based on risk profile. Can place buyer sellers across multiple exchanges. Uses safety nets to lock in max profit while minimizing risk. And there's a link to the demonstration there, again from Zach. I'll leave the link in the description. Other key points: no holds on principal, can withdraw any time. Principal must stay invested for 15 days in order to withdraw or reinvest returns. New investments also have a 15-day maturity schedule. Auto reinvestments are exempt. Returns are paid in drops to user wallet. Initial investment and returns are paid to USD. Example, and I like that. Example, 5% on 1,000 is $50. So you'll get so you'll get that. You'll get that price. You'll actually get that. There's the key dates. Pre-sales done, main ICO, March, distributed. and made a remote roadmap. We'll put that in there. All right, so I think that's about it. Gonna wrap this up. Again, I'm gonna leave my link in the description. As always, I'm not your financial advisor, just a guy on YouTube. You want to follow me on some of my social media? I'm just getting those started up. Crypto Slacker with an underscore here on Twitter, on Facebook, Crypto Slacker. All right, wrapping it up. Have a good day, people.